नमस्कार डियर इन्वेस्टर्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान। इन्वेस्टर्स, आज हम हाल ही में लॉन्च हुए न्यू फंड ऑफर यानी एनएफओ की चर्चा करने वाले हैं, तो हमारे इस वीडियो को शुरुआत से अंत तक देखिएगा। इन्वेस्टर्स, वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमारे चैनल इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान को आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे हमारे जो भी नए वीडियो की अपडेट आती है वो आपको मिलती रहे। चलो इन्वेस्टर्स, हम वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। म्यूचुअल फंड है ग्रो म्यूचुअल फंड। स्कीम नेम है ग्रो बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सर्विस फंड। Objective of scheme: the primary investment objective of the scheme is to generate consistent long-term returns by investing in equity and equity-related instruments of banking and financial services companies and other related sectors or companies. The fund aims to capitalize on the growth opportunities and growth potential of various subsectors within the BFSI sector, including banks, NBFCs, insurance companies, asset management companies, capital market participants, fintech players, etc. This includes companies benefiting from or contributing to the growth of the banking and financial services sector. However, there is no assurance or guarantee that the investment objective of the scheme will be achieved. The scheme does not assure or guarantee any returns. This product is suitable for investors who are looking for long-term capital appreciation with an investment horizon of 5 to 10 years. Seeking investments predominantly in equity and equity-related instruments of the companies engaged in the financial services sector. Looking to benefit from growth opportunities and the potential of companies engaged in banking and financial services and other related sectors. Seeking investing opportunities across multiple BFSI subsectors, having a slightly higher risk appetite. Those who already have a well-diversified portfolio and are looking for some amount of concentration for the potential of outsized returns. Important points है इन्वेस्टर के लिए. Investors should consult their financial advisors if in doubt about whether the product is suitable for them. Scheme type है open ended. Scheme category है equity scheme, sectoral, thematic. Name of asset management company Grow Asset Management Limited, formerly known as India Bulls Asset Management Company Limited. Name of trustee company Grow Trustee Company, formerly known as India Bulls Trustee Company Limited. New fund launch date है 17 जनवरी 2024. न्यू फंड ऑफर क्लोजर डेट है 31 जनवरी 2024. मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन अमाउंट है ₹500. Investors, for details please visit website www.growmf.in. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Investment Plan. Thank you.